Ever wonder how this golden liquid is actually made? We are treated from a simple seed to your kitchen. It takes precision and care to extract purest oil. Let's step inside the factory and see it in action.
To the golden oil in your kitchen. This journey combines agriculture, precision engineering. The journey begins in vast sunflower fields, where carefully cultivated plants grow until their seed heads reach full maturity. When the crop is ready, powerful harvesting machines cut the sunflowers and separate the valuable seeds from the plants. Inside the factory, the seeds are unloaded into massive receiving hoppers and immediately enter the automated processing line. Before processing begins, samples are inspected to verify quality and remove unsuitable material. High-capacity cleaning systems remove dust, stones, leaves, and other unwanted materials from the seeds. The cleaned seeds are then dehulled, separating the outer shell from the valuable kernel inside. The kernels are carefully conditioned to prepare them for efficient oil extraction. Next, powerful rollers crush the kernels into thin flakes, exposing more of the seed material for oil recovery. Inside powerful screw presses, mechanical pressure forces valuable sunflower oil out of the prepared material. The freshly extracted crude oil is collected and pumped into large tanks for further purification. After pressing, the remaining solid material is separated and can be directed toward other useful applications. Modern facilities use highly controlled extraction systems to recover as much valuable oil as possible from the raw material.
The crude oil now enters filtration systems that remove suspended particles and remaining solids.
During refining, unwanted natural components are separated from the oil to improve its stability and quality. The oil then passes through a controlled neutralization stage to reduce unwanted acidic components.
Additional purification removes remaining impurities and unwanted color compounds, creating a cleaner and more consistent oil.
In the final refining stages, controlled heat, steam, and vacuum help reduce unwanted odors and volatile compounds.
After refining, the finished sunflower oil emerges clear, bright, and ready for quality testing and packaging. Before bottling, laboratory specialists test the finished oil to verify that it meets the required quality specifications. Approved oil is transferred into hygienic storage tanks and held until the packaging line is ready.
Meanwhile, the packaging line prepares food-grade bottles for the finished product. Precision filling machines dispense the exact amount of sunflower oil into each bottle at high speed. Immediately afterward, automated capping machines securely seal every bottle. Labels are applied with precision, while automated inspection systems check every finished bottle. Finished labeled bottles are carefully grouped, packed into cartons, sealed, inspected, and prepared for shipment. From the packaging line, the cartons move into an organized warehouse, awaiting distribution. Loaded onto distribution trucks, the finished product begins its final journey towards stores, restaurants, and homes. From sunflower fields and modern factories to restaurants and homes worldwide, every bottle completes an incredible journey from seed to table.